Okay, so here is kind of a tutorial on how to use Canvas. So you are going to go to canvas.gennet.us, and I will email you that link as well. And you're going to click on this G down here. If you type in your email and your password, it's not going to work. We just have to click on this login with Google icon right here. And then it's going to have you sign in with your school account. So this is where you would add your account with your email and the password that you were given. And it's going to take you to your dashboard, and you're going to find the class that you want. So I'm going to click on Math 7 for you. And this is what your screen is going to look like. Over here on the left-hand side, you're just going to have home and announcements. When an announcement posts, it does post up here at the top. So you right now don't have any announcements, but keep an eye out for one of those. Over here is a to-do list, and it says nothing for now because I don't have anything that's able to be turned in for the first 3 days this week. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say turned in on Canvas. So there's nothing over here. So I don't want you to pay attention to the to-do list because, as you can see, there are things for you to do, but they're not being turned in through Canvas. They're turned in through something different. So the to-do list might work for other classes, but please don't pay attention to it for math class. Always go to home, find the week. I always put the current week at the top, and then I divide that week up by days, as you can see here. So I have the first 3 days posted. So Monday and Tuesday is an iReady diagnostic test. So you're going to click that link, and then it tells you here what you need to be doing. So there's a link to go to the iReady website, and your username is your first initial, middle initial, and last name, and the password is cps.2020. So when you log into that, that's what you're going to click on. And you're going to do your best without using a calculator on this diagnostic test. This kind of gives us an idea of where you're at and helps me develop my lessons. And if I go back home, on Wednesday, I have posted a video. So these are my notes that you would see if you were in class. I just made the video online available to you, so you would watch that. So there's nothing to do. And then either you could, or there's no worksheet for you to do or assignment here. It's just watch the video and take your own notes. You can hit next, or you can go back home. It just takes you to the next thing. So for the assignment for this, I have a Google form. So you're going to click this link, and it's going to take you to the Google form where you're going to fill in these questions. And once you answer all of those questions, you're going to hit submit, and then that gets turned into me that way. So that's why there's nowhere for you to turn anything in on Canvas. That is all I have posted and ready to go for this week. Once I have an assignment where there is actually something to turn in, I will make you another video and show you how to do that. And please don't hesitate to give the school a call or send an email to me if you have any questions, if something's not working correctly. My email is jabbott@cpsk12.us. And then I can answer your question that way, or again, you can call Tammy in the front office and see if they can help you there as well.